Stradler, where are you? Get back in your cubicle. I'm not paying you to uncubicle yourself.
As you may have noticed over the past few videos, we haven't moved or changed our clothes or anything. As mentioned, we had some audio issues and some other stuff that we shot, so we were basically catching up while we were here. But LaDonna would like to tell you where here is.
For my birthday, we were on the beach, literally at Magnolia Beach, and we are back at a beach.
We moved beaches.
Yes, we moved beaches.
And states.
And states,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
We are in Louisiana, and it's a state that neither Wayne nor I have ever been to before, so that's really exciting for us. That's really fun. And the beach we are situated at is Rutherford Beach, which is really close to Cameron, but of course is the southernmost part in this part of Louisiana, and I just love this beach so much.
We're parked right on the ocean,
Literally.
as you can hear and
And
probably
we'll-
have heard over the last few videos.
And we will definitely give you the tour for sure.
There's not a lot around here. Cameron, I think, is fairly small. Creole is fairly small. The nearest Walmart is, what did you say, 30 miles away?
miles away.
Yeah.
So it's fairly remote here,
Yeah.
but it's nice for us. We did a lot of exploring at the last place we were. So we're not going to be here a long time. It's just a little bit more relaxation
Yeah.
time on the beach.
Yeah, and it's free. You can come
Yes.
and basically park wherever you can without getting stuck, because it is way more sandy than Magnolia was. Magnolia was kind of hard-packed shells and sand mix, but it was, it'd probably be pretty hard to get stuck there, I think. Whereas
Yeah.
here, there's like kind of the main road, and then we found a pretty packed part to pull off on.
And
do
did we
that.
also want to mention our little issue on the way to Rutherford?
Yes, definitely
Yeah.
have to shout out. So on the way here, we were trying to get here before dark. The tires on the trailer were looking a little low. I don't know if this had anything to do with it or not, but I pulled over and topped them up. It says 50-pound max. If they're cold, we've driven a little bit. I put them at about 40, between 40 and 45. Like I said, I'm not sure if that had much to do with it or not. But on the way here, all of a sudden I kind of heard it as I looked and saw the big puff of air and the tires flapping around, and so we had a blow up.
So it was the driver's side front trailer tire?
Yeah, out of the two. it was the
Because
front
we
one.
have dualies, so.
So fair enough. Pulled over. Went to get everything out to put the spare on, and I couldn't get the lugs off. The lugs were so tight on there that I could not get them off on my own. We literally had time enough to call AAA and got the call in and hung up the phone, and two guys pull up. They're like, out of the truck, need a hand, and this and that. And, I was in the process of digging out our jack, and he already had one out. And the two of us got the lugs off. It took two of us, and one of them was literally one of us holding the tire iron, the other guy standing on it to put some weight on the other side. But we got him off and got it up and got the spare on, and then all is good. So we tried to, give them some beer money, and they wouldn't have any of it. So our first impression of Louisiana is, pretty high right now. So.
It was guardian angels, literally.
Yeah, in the time that it would take in AAA to get there, we were fixed up and gone thanks to those guys. So that really means a lot, and very, very grateful.
And they basically said, just pay it forward.
So we made it here. It was pretty much dark when we got here, so we just kind of pulled in, found a safe spot to park, and then got up this morning and looked around and moved. There were some guys that were redoing the parking lot, I think, over here for day use parkers and stuff. So they had like cats, little bobcats going back and forth and beeping and all that kind of stuff. So we moved down the beach some, and we're gonna hang out for a few days. So we'll show you around here, but there's not a whole lot here, just a lot of beach.
Which is fine by us for a few days, yeah.
But we'll probably put up the drone and show you around. So in a nutshell, that is Rutherford Beach. And we thank you for watching. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
You like the beach?
Yes. I was trying to think of something really exciting to say, but I can't. I love the beach more than anything. Even better than the forests. Even better than the desert. I'll take the beach any day.
We're gonna leave the beach tomorrow.
That's okay, we'll see another one on our way back
Yeah.
to the Maritimes, and once we get to the Maritimes, there's more beach there.
There is.
So I'll still have the beach.
Okay. Just checking.
How about you?
I'm alright to leave.
You're all right to leave the beach?
Yeah. We'll see another one.
It's like working with a monkey.